Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to send money with Apple Pay. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have Apple Wallet installed. To use Apple Pay, you need to have the Apple Wallet app installed on your iOS device. After iOS 10 came out, it became possible to remove pre-installed Apple apps, and the Apple Wallet is no exception. So simply make sure that you download the Apple Wallet if it has not already. Now, in order to use Apple Pay, you will need to have a payment method in your account. Thankfully, adding a payment method is very easy. Once you are in the wallet app, you will see a black circle with the plus sign available. Then tap this to add new payment methods. Once here, tap continue to add a new card. The Apple Wallet app allows you to quickly scan a debit or credit card and it will input the information automatically. So you don't need to type out each number individually. You also have the option to apply for the Apple Card in the app. The Apple Card is a credit card with a variable interest rate issued by Goldman Sachs. You will need good credit to apply and some fair credit scores are accepted. Once you have added a payment method or two, you are already ready to start paying merchants. Many merchants and even vending machines have Apple Pay integration. You can quickly pay with your phone without having to pull out a card. Now, to start sending and receiving payments, all you need to do is use iMessage. Open the Messages app and tap on the person you want to pay. On top of the keyword, you will see an Apple Pay icon. Select that and you can request or send money with an iMessage. You can input the price you want to send or request and just send it like a normal message. Once this is sent, the recipient will be notified. If there is an issue, you will be notified and the payment or request will be cancelled. So there is nothing to worry about on your end. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.